para daw nabuntag Surigao nun! 3, 2, 1! Every kilometer you cover, every peso you contributed will directly translate into a book in the hands of a child, igniting their imagination and paving the way for a brighter future.
Your participation symbolizes our shared commitment to promoting literacy and lifelong learner. Turn this activity into more than just a run. It became a meaningful movement for literacy and health.
Nakatabang mi sa mga students, sa mga learners nga kinahanglan tabaganan. We are again mapasalamaton sa tanan nga inyong ipakita.